Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at General Ordonez Moto Tire Plus PH. So guys, check natin yung mga available na tires nila dito. Also, check natin yung boots dito na Philippine made guys, gawang Marikina. And ang brand is Stitched Sole. So check natin yung mga riding boots nila kung bakit napakaganda ng mga boots nila. So come on guys, join me, check natin. Guys, good morning. Time check. It's almost 11, I think, or 10:30. So I'm here at Moto Tire Plus PH. Ayan guys, it's along General Ordonez Avenue, located here in Marikina. So I have with me is Sir Joseph, guys, and bibigyan niya tayo ng overview about his shop. Sir.
Hi, Moto Lente. Yes, we are Moto Tire Plus PH. As you said, we are located here in Marikina. We are at General Ordonez Avenue. Exact location namin is 415 General Ordonez Avenue, Marikina Heights, Marikina City. So, nasa Google Maps naman, so madaling hanapin.
Yeah. Also guys, ipa-flash ko dito sa screen yung contact details nila. Yes. Alright, yung exact address as well as their contact information. So sir, tell us something about Moto Tire.
Ang Moto Tire Plus, we started just this year, around March. So Moto Tire Plus PH, we are a network of motorcycle shop, which we specializes in performance tires, like Maxis, CST, and then performance oils like Buti and Castrol. We open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
So from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. just come visit yung shop nila guys. There is an in-house mechanic who could assist you and then perform all the services that you guys need. So sir, ano yung mga current na services na ginagawa natin here?
Ngayon is, we focus on tires.
Tires.
Performance parts, we have RS8 and TIAA. So we can install those performance parts. As you said, we have in-house mechanic. Plus, we sell also, of course, riding gears and lifestyle. So we carry also Stitched Sole, leather boots.
Then guys, i-feature natin to later after Sir Joseph. So they have a good catalog of riding boots. So support local guys, go Marikina.
Yes,
go
Marikina, tama. And also, what makes our shop different from other shops?
Yeah, that's very important.
We partner with quality brands. Yun talaga. Plus yung mga brands which gives a fair price para sa ating mga riding community. Riding community. And we also extend warranties as well sa mga products na mga binibenta namin. So we make sure that we provide warranties.
Good. So, very competitive guys yung prices here at Moto Tire PH. So correct me if I'm wrong, sir. Yung pinaka-flagship brand natin here is the Maxis tires, diba? Yes. So tell us naman a brief overview about Maxis. Why did you guys parang choose yung Maxis? Eh, ang dami nating parang when it comes to tires, diba, we have a huge array of choices. So what makes you guys decide na okay, let's pick up Maxis, let's carry Maxis?
Nakita kasi namin sa market is sobrang dami na ng other brands.
Correct, yeah.
Plus medyo ang mamahal. So nakita namin yung Maxis, yung fill the gap dun sa
needs talaga ng mga for ordinary riders.
Performance and quality wise, napaka-competitive ng Maxis. And CST as well.
Correct. So yun guys, if you need tires for your scooters, especially right now guys, they're still working on, they're focusing on lower displacement motorcycles. But soon, right, diba?
Yes.
Soon, magkakaroon dito ng mga tires for big bikes or for higher displacement. So abangan natin yun.
Right now, pre-order tayo.
Oh, they have pre-order guys, pre-order ng mga for bigger displacements. But for now, yung mga stocks natin dito, are for lower displacement.
Yes.
Correct. Like for this one, no, guys, this one is for actually for big bike na rin to. This is 140, 70, 17s. So, sa mga 400 cc's, ito yung mga ginagamit natin na
pwede
tires.
siya.
So sir, invite naman yung mga viewers natin o yung mga fellow riders natin to visit your shop.
Alright, as I said, we are Mototire Plus PH. We are located in Marikina. For your tire needs, performance part needs, please visit us. We are open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. We have a promotion right now. We have free tire sealant and free tire bulbs for every tire purchase in our shop. Plus 1-year warranty.
Yun. Oh guys, alright. So mga kamotolente, fellow riders, guys, dito na. Taga Marikina tayo or nearby cities, guys. Please pay a visit here at Mototire PH. Alright, Sir Joseph, thank you so much for having me here sa shop niyo.
Yes, thank you very
much. It's a pleasure talaga na makita ko yung mga products natin dito. Galing, galing. So guys, please check their official Facebook page. Ha? Kung meron kayong tire needs, sa mga performance needs nyo, oils, everything, guys, please visit their shop as well. Okay? Sir, thank you.
Thank you very much. Nga pala, Motolente. Meron nga pala kami gusto ipatry sa inyo na product namin.
Wow.
Gear Guard Pro.
Guys,
Just a brief introduction sa product. Ano siya? Disinfectant for helmets, jackets, riding jackets.
Riding gears, no?
Yes, boots. Katulad ng stitch sole.
Yun, no?
So kung medyo napasa yung loob, so pwede natin i-disinfect yung gear guard.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Ano siya? Non-corrosive. Pwede siya sa leather, pwede siya sa plastic, sa carbon, those kind of materials na nagawa yung mga riding gears natin.
Yun.
So, safe siya, hindi siya makaka-affect dun sa mga materials na yun.
Nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So guys, re-review natin to, real world review, and then I'll let you know regarding yung sa feedback ko.
And nga pala, BPAD approved siya. Exclusively distributed siya ng Trader Bill. And mabibili siya rito sa Mototire Plus PH.
Yun guys, so available here at Mototire Plus PH.
Available siya dito sa Mototire Plus PH. But pwede tayong naghahanap kami ng mga reseller.
Yun, yung mga online sellers natin dyan. Guys, ito, number 1 to. Very in demand, Re-review natin, pero as early as now, sabihin ko sa inyo, very in demand to. Please contact Sir Joseph or anyone from the team of Mototire Plus PH kung gusto nyo mag-resell nitong Gear Guard Pro. Sir, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mata.
Alright, sir, mabuhay ka.
Okay.